Alright, what's up guys? Today we're making this video on a 2016 Yukon. It's for a p0128 code. It's a thermostat code. It's a, it could just be any other problem, but pretty much should be the thermostat. I actually ended up buying the thermostat a while back ago during the, I'll be putting up the sizes of the sockets on screen, that way I don't have to actually tell you guys. Anyways, I ended up buying the thermostat. Here's the sensor as well. I ended up buying the thermostat before winter time, and then during winter time the code went away and the truck started working normally, so we kind of just left it alone. But it got warm again, and then the code came back, and when my mom would turn off the truck, the front fans would stay on for like a couple minutes, so that was a little bit weird. Anyways, I ended up doing a little bit more research, and good thing we didn't do it. I don't know exactly what the solve was, but I ended up doing more research, and people were saying to also replace the sensor, so that's what we ended up doing. I didn't remove enough coolant from the bottom, so that thing kept on just coming out and out and out. So I guess tip, go to the bottom and remove a decent amount of coolant, and don't just like remove like a tiny bit. But yeah, once you guys got a decent amount of that coolant out, you guys can move on to the next step. Here we got the 10 millimeters to remove the actual housing. So I'm not sure if you could buy the thermostat on its own, but I could only find the actual full housing for it. It's a plastic housing, so they just sell the whole set together. So I got that online, and then yeah, it's pretty much it. It comes with a gasket and everything, so you don't have to worry about, like, I don't think you need to worry about any sealant. I didn't put any sealant on there. I just used the gasket that came with the housing. But there's I believe it's three 10 millimeters. I actually dropped one there on the side. I actually had a problem with the recording. It only recorded this first part. I guess I didn't have space on my phone, but I was only able to record the taking off the thermostat and the sensor. But you guys should be able to just follow the steps and go back. Wasn't too hard. But yeah, it's a 2-part clip. This first white clip you kind of just push out. You kind of need to force it. That's why I needed that little green pick. But yeah, you take that part off, and then what's under is just a push clip that's on like any other clip that came off right away. And then a 19 millimeter socket to take that off, and that's pretty much it. You just install the new one, and that's donezo.